Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine delivers a thorough exterior clean with only a small amount of concentrate and a few gallons of water, making it ideal for quick maintenance washes. Its advanced polymers surround and lift away grime, so the wash solution glides over the surface, helping to reduce the risk of fine scratching on modern clear coats and ceramic coatings. The formula is safe for paint, glass, wheels, trim, and interior materials like leather and vinyl, so one product can handle almost every detailing task on a vehicle. This latest version noticeably boosts slickness and gloss, leaving paintwork looking freshly detailed rather than just washed. Because it does not require a running hose or heavy rinsing, it is especially useful for indoor washing in a garage or in cold or water-restricted areas. Detailers also appreciate that it works on a wide range of vehicles, from daily drivers to boats and recreational vehicles, while using far less water than a traditional car shampoo.